Integrated conical burr grinder grinds on demand to deliver the right amount of freshly ground coffee directly into the portafilter for your preferred taste, with any roast of the bean. Digital temperature control delivers water at precisely the right temperature, ensuring optimal espresso extraction. The steam wand performance allows you to hand texture microfoam milk that enhances flavor and enables creation of latte art. Grind size dial, simple and intuitive, giving you control over the grind size, no matter what type of bean you're grinding. Hands-free operation, innovative grinding cradle allows any at-home barista to grind directly into the espresso port filter. Savor the silky taste and velvety mouthfeel of true microfoam milk. The milk is steamed with pressure that creates thousands of tiny bubbles, enhancing flavor and mouthfeel, while the temperature brings out the milk's sweetness.